So at this point, we have created our lists, we have modified our lists, and now we're going to organize them. So I'm going to come down here to the terminal and clear out the screen. And I'm going to put in a little print heading for HandsOn3. Oops, HandsOn3, not 23. Okay. First task, use the sort method to sort the movie list and print the results. So it's a sort method, so we need to take movies dot sort, and then we're going to print movies. And then use the sort method to sort the food list. So that's going to be foods dot sort. We'll print out foods. Use the sorted function to sort and print the number list. And then print it again to show that it wasn't a permanent change. So that's going to be print sorted numbers. And then we're just going to do a print on numbers. I'm going to put the descriptions in after I get everything coded up here. Use the reverse method to change the sort order of the movie list. Okay, so we've got movies dot reverse and print movies. All right, let's run that to make sure all of it works. Okay, and there are no errors. And just visually checking here, it does look correct. So I'm going to put the descriptions in here, which just makes the output a little easier to interpret. So I'm going to have print, and in double quotes, I'm just going to say sorted list. And we'll do the same thing for foods. And then for numbers, I'm going to say temp sorted list. And then for the regular print, I'll just say original list. And then for the last one, I'm going to say sorted in reverse order. So I don't really care if your descriptions match the example or not, but you should have, some kind of description indicating what you're printing. So you'll notice for the temporary list, I did temp sorted list, which does match, but then below that I put original list instead of unsorted. Unsorted and original are the same thing. Okay, so doesn't really matter what description you put as long as, you're indicating what's going on with the printout. So here we've got our descriptions added, which makes those lists a lot easier to interpret. So I'm going to save this. And at this point, we are now done with the favorite file.